Would you believe it if I told you this was a high-protein, sugar-free cheesecake? Well, it is, and I'm going to show you how to make it. You'll start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 1/4 cups of Greek yogurt. I love this Too Good yogurt, it's amazing. 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of powdered sweetener, I used monk fruit, and 2 eggs. Mix it up well and pour it into your springform pan. I baked mine at 350 for roughly 45 minutes, and then I topped mine with some sugar-free cherries. It was just absolute perfection. If you try it, let me know what you think.